What is up mga kapatid? Curious Snowden is back at it again with another video here only at Snowden Gaming. Wala nang iba. So, for this video mga kapatid, no? So, we're going to tackle about the upcoming updates, no? I think this will be implemented next week sa panibagong season. Alright, no? So, matatapos na kasi yung Halloween Battle Pass, and on our previous video, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, you can check it out on our YouTube channel, no? Yung last na video before this one, na-tackle natin doon about yung Necromancer Battle Pass that will be released by Project Sino, no? Kung saan makakuha kayo ng NFT box that contains Necromancer, no? So, kailangan nyo na ng G-Coin para ma-unlock at ma-open nyo yung NFT box na yan. So, ayun nga. So, for this video, we're going to tackle about the buffs and mga buffs na gagawin on the next season, no? So, ano pa nga bang hinihintay natin? Tara na! So, ayun na nga mga patido. Ito na yung update. No? So, ito yung part 1 ng update because I also want to give my opinion and yung mga thoughts ko about sa mga upcoming updates. So, eto na, nirelease nila to sa Twitter account nila, no? So, if hindi nyo pa nakikita, go check it out. Alright, so, unang-una na si Kuya nyo Samurai. So, meron siyang 3 skill card na mana-nerf and also may mababuff din naman. Unang-una na dyan is yung Malice or Malice ko. So, kung anong gusto nyong itawag dyan sa skill card na yan, no? Unang-una, weekend. May dalawang types siya, no? Dalawang beses siya na weekend, no? So, nakalagay dito sa adjustment plan. So, hindi pa siguro to concrete. Ito pa lang yung plano. So, there might be changes on the coming days or before the update mismo. But if meron mang update, more mababago, so I will keep you guys updated. Alright? So, sabi dito, change to only recover the target from poison and stand abnormal state. Alright, recover the target from poison. So, mare-recover lang. So, hindi ko sure kung ano yung, parang medyo magulo. Change to only recover. Ano yung only recover? So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung only recover. Kasi, technically, yung Malice kasi nawawala yung debuffs na poison and stun. Alright, next one is yung the abnormal state cancellation effect will be changed to reduce the abnormal state duration by 3 turns. So, hindi na mawawala lahat. Alright, kasi before, abnormal state cancellation, ibig sabihin mawawala yung lahat ng abnormal state. But this one will be changed to reduce na lang. Reduce by 3 turns. Alright, so hindi na mawawala lahat ng poison na nilagay mo doon sa Samurai kapag nagmalay siya. So, it's a win situation para sa mga Samurai ay sa mga ninja user na naglalason. Alright, next one yung meditation weekend. Reduce the damage multiplier by 40%. Grabe, ang laking nerf nun for Samurai users na gumagamit ng meditation dahil it's 40% nerf para sa meditation. Alright, yung Iron Slay strengthen. Add electric shock removal of effect before attacking. Alright, so meron na siyang electric shock. So kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung effect ng electric shock, yung electric shock mga kapatid is that kapag tinamaan ka is that mawawala yung critical mo. Alright, ayun, tama. Okay, naalis na yung electric shock, no? So, parang specific siya dun sa ano na yan, sa debuff na yan. Sa electric shock removal lang yung mawawala sa kanya. Alright? So, next one is kay Breaker. Nakalagay dito, no adjustment. Alright? So, si Breaker, yung mga Breaker main dyan, no? So, magdidiwang kayo. Alright? No adjustment has been made to Breaker. But, we don't know before the update, baka mag-release sila ng update kay Breaker. So, we will see. Alright, next one, si Kuya New Guardian. Alright, merong 4 na skill card. Unang-una na dyan, yung Little Archer. It was strengthened. No? Increase the attack power of summoned units. Uy, 30%. ang laking buff nun. Alright, yung Little Archer, ang laking buff nun. Tapos, kung meron ka pang passive skill na additional HP sa mga summon mo, which is super huge boost kung gumagamit ka ng Little Archer. Next one, yung Repair. Pinahina siya. Alright, Weakened. Reduce the amount of healing. Minus 50%. So, medyo OP rin kasi yung Repair. Lalo kung meron ka pang ultimate na pang heal kay Guardian. Alright, next one si Omega. 3 times siyang na-adjust. Una na doon, Weakened. Add a slow effect to self when summoning. Alright, so pag sinomon mo yung Omega, magkakaroon ka ng slow effect. So, ibig sabihin ng slow effect, babagal ka sa turn. Hindi na ikaw yung mauunang mag-turn. Alright. Next one. Strengthen. Change the cost from 4 to 3. No? So, gusto nila sigurong makita na gumamit ng Little Archer and Omega yung mga Guardian user. No? Hindi lang Judgment. Kasi sobrang sakit ng Judgment eh. Which is si Omega sobrang sakit din naman. So, maybe we are going to see some Omega users plus Little Archer. Kasi si Little Archer, 3 yung nilalabas niya na summon. And then si Omega, kung gaano karami yung nakain niya na summon, ganon din kalakas yung damage niya. Doon magbe-base yung damage niya. Tapos, change yung cost from 4 energy to 3 energy, which is good. Kasi hindi na siya sobrang sakit sa energy. Alright, strengthen. Increase the HP of summoned unit plus 10%. Alright. Enable summoned units to take actions during their turn. Oh. During their turn. So, ibig sabihin ba neto is makakagamit muna ng skill yung iba mong summon bago kainin ni Omega? So, we will see if that's so. Ang ganda ng update na yan for Omega. Knowing na binabaan yung energy cost niya from 4 to 3. Alright, next one si Aegis. Add abnormal state cancellation effect to allies. Plus 1 turn. Ooh, ang ganda nun for Aegis. Alright, ang ganda nun for Aegis, no? Meron na siyang abnormal state cancellation effect to all allies. To all. 1 turn. So, it's a huge buff for Aegis. Alright, next one. Si ate mo Psychic. Heal Ring. Pinalakas. Change the cost from 3 to 2. Alright, so good buff lang. Kasi parang ang OP naman na mag-heal ka lang ng kakampi mo is 3 energy. So, are we going to see a support Psychic? No? We will see. Armageddon. May 3 adjustment sa kanya. We can reduce the damage multiplier by 60%. Grabe. Ang laking nerf. Ang laking nerf nun para sa Armageddon. Alright, yung Armageddon, yung ultimate yan ni Psychic, yung sumasabog. Alright. Strengthen. Okay, change the damage boost. Turn from 7 turn to 4 turn. Alright, binalik na, no? Parang binalik na. Kasi before, tinaasan yung turn niya. Pero ngayon, pinababa na ulit yung turn. Pinababa yung turn. Pero nireduce yung damage niya. So, fair adjustment for Armageddon. Next one is strengthen, change the cost from 300 to 200, no? So, it's a fair adjustment lang dahil pinahina naman nila yung damage multiplier ni Armageddon. So, it's a good update for me, no? Kudos to the team. Alright, so, ayun lamang mga kapatid. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok sa ating video. I hope may mga natutunan kayo and let me know sa comment section mga kapatid kung ano yung take nyo dito sa update na to. So okay, kita-kits ulit tayo sa part 2 ng video na to. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Kita-kits ulit. Bye bye.